Yo guys, and we're out here in Blue Water, yeah? You already know how it is, yeah? We're here to collect the new iPhone 12 and it's gonna be a mad thing. This is my new phone, guys.
No worries. What's it, GG's?
Oh, little sneak peeky. Oh. Chaka, Dada Selima. And boom, yeah, we're out here, back from Blue Water. You already know how it is. And Hardbash has been kind enough to let us touch his phone, you know. I just called him, I was like, yo, before we get into the video, guys, we are going to be giving away this brand new iPhone 11 sealed red with 2 cameras and a home button. I lied, it doesn't have a home button.
Make sure you're following our socials. Chaka TV is going to be right there in the middle of the screen, so you can win this iPhone 11.
And make sure you like this video and you're subscribed. Get us to 100k. Don't subscribe. So as you can see, it's a 64GB phone with a 1.2 processor of a Cupertino 1.2 litre. But that doesn't mean that the hydro processing robotic manufacturing does not show the fact that it has 3 cameras. Instead, it has 1.4. Therefore, the digital setting might process into the national insurance.
Okay, because you need insurance to download digital data from the offloading phone.
Therefore, going middle out and sucking 4 dicks at a time.
Okay.
Shh. Some.
So here we have the iPhone 12 here. As you already know, this is not the iPhone 11 or 10 or 9 or 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know what I'm saying because I know nothing about iPhones. So here we have a combination of the iPhone 5 and it's also got the size of an iPhone XR, isn't it, Mankaran?
Yeah, that's absolutely correct, Michael, what you just said there. I mean, you know, the phone looks absolutely shit in my opinion. I mean, it looks just like the iPhone 5. It has no USB port, which I would like to see in the new iPhones. You know, I would like to stick my USB in this thing, but it's just not letting me. Once again, you know, I was expecting a HDMI port just to put my HDMI cable in, but nope, nothing again from Apple. Absolutely shit if you ask me. I mean, just another bump. I mean, all they've done is just taken the iPhone 11 and put it into the body of an iPhone 5 and just fucking expanded it, haven't they?
How much was this?
I mean, too much if you ask me. I mean, how much did you pay, mate?
I don't check the price, I just buy it.
Oh, okay, well, I mean, if you're not checking the price and you're just buying it, that just shows you absolutely fucked hard.
So right now we're going to do the drop test. As you can see, it is the iPhone 12. Yeah, we're going to do drop test. So reach as high as you can and smash it on the floor, yeah? Of course, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Fucking hell, the glass! He paid over 1,000 for that. Alright, let's see. Let's see if it's smashed. Let's see if it's smashed.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Where did that end up, bruv?
Are you guys ready?
We're ready.
Oh!
Oh my god, hello to you again.
No scratches, no nothing. Oh, no. Couple fingerprints. No, it's a couple fingerprints.
This phone, that's why I said Apple, you have actually disappointed us with this phone. Look at us. Fingerprints everywhere on the phone. Just by a little drop and there's fingerprints everywhere. This is absolutely disgraceful.
Okay guys, so we're going to do some low light camera testing. So if you will, could you please take a picture of me?
Okay, buddy. 3, 2, 1.
And a picture right there. Let's see if you can get everything clearly in.
3, 2, 1. Yep.
Okay, and can we get a picture over here?
Yep, ready.
So off the DHL box.
Of the DHL, yeah? The yellow one?
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, yep.
Okay.
The quality is quite good, like the high definition quality there. You can see all his facial features, the features of the box, the feature of all the shit that's there, you feel me? So, very good camera quality, 8.5 out of 10?
8.5. Ooh, come on, that's a bit humble.
Okay, 9.7?
9.7.
9.7.
Alright.
Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and review of the iPhone 12 Midnight Blue XR, looking like a 5C bitch iPhone phone. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Remember the giveaway of the iPhone 11 coming soon. Yeah,
and make sure you like, comment, and don't subscribe, but get us to 100k.
Facts.
Bow, 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 bow.
Oh my gosh, look guys, we have the iPhone 6s and we have the SE and the XR and the X and we have the 12 Pro. Spot the difference.
They're all shit.
They're all fucking hell. Right, this is a, oh my, the screen's coming off. The screen has come off.